What's up guys, Innocent here, and today I'm going to show you my favorite exercises if you want to develop bigger forearms, if you want to develop your wrists or your forearm and develop the grips, you know. So we're gonna warm up first. Like I always mention, let's warm up before you do anything in the gym to avoid injuries and just to be safe overall. So let's warm up and I'll see you on the other side.